match. I don't want to be eliminated. Well, I don't care since we, don't have a host. Oh, I can help with that. New host, Microwave. Yeah, and I nuclear up.
Goobly goobly weezer beezer. Damn it, my boyonoceros. Holy roly poly poly guacamole. Tongue it, my boyonoceros. Wowzer for wowzer. Goobly goobly. Wowie kabowie wowie wowie. Well, holy roly poly my ravioli. Bloopy sloopy sloops. Smiggly smug.
Oh yeah, and great Lord Microwave says these guys can join the game, and the challenge is to turn into a microwave. Go from. How do we win this challenge? Oh, don't worry, I got this file that turns you into a microwave. Oh my gosh, you should totally steal that file so we can win. Fine, whatever, as long as I'm not eliminated. Don't worry, my flying friend. I just always carry a spare potion that turns you into a microwave. Even though you haven't said a word, I kind of find you annoying, so go and load up a little acid. Yeah. Come on, Nickel, now look what you've done. One of us is gonna lose. And you know what? It's gonna be me. Win this for me, buddy.